My name is Putri Rasya. Saya akan menjelaskan tentang adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency adalah kata keterangan yang digunakan untuk menyatakan seberapa sering, so often, suatu kegiatan dilakukan. Biasanya dilakukan bersamaan simple present tense. Contoh, I always eat breakfast. She never watch TV. Fungsi utama adverb of frequency adalah untuk menjelaskan frekuensi, kebiasaan, atau rutinitas seseorang. Contoh penggunaan, I usually go to school at 7 p.m. They often play football on weekend. Jenis-jenis adverb of frequency. Adverb, always. Contoh kalimat, I always brush my teeth. Usually, she usually eat rice. Often. They often go swimming. Sometimes we watch TV. Really, he really drink coffee. Never, I never smoke. Letak adverb of frequency dalam kalimat. Contoh kata kerja utama main verb. Contoh, I always eat breakfast. They often play football. Function. They describe habits, routines, and general truths. Examples. I usually wake up at 6 p.m. He really drinks during meal. Sentence structure. Main verb. Subject plus adverb plus verb. Examples. I always eat breakfast. They often play football. Sentence structure. Be verb. Subject plus to be plus adverb plus complement. Examples. She is always happy. We are never late. With auxiliary verb. Subject auxiliary verb plus verb plus main verb. Examples. I have never been to Japan. We should always be polite. Daily routine. Examples. Morning routine. Examples. I always wake up early. I usually eat breakfast. I sometimes go jogging. At school. Examples. School life. Examples. I always bring my notebook. My teacher usually give homework. I never forget my pen. At home. Examples. Home activities. My mom always cook dinner. My dad really use his phone. We sometimes watch TV together. Negative sentences. Subject plus do or does plus not plus adverb plus verb. Examples. I don't usually eat noodles. He don't always wake up early. Interrogative sentences. Do or does plus subject plus adverb plus verb. Do you always eat breakfast? Does he often read books? I am, is, are plus subject plus adverb. Are you usually late? Come on, miss. I go always to school. I always go to school. He always is late. He is always late. Time experience. Common words. Every day, every week. once a month, twice a year. Example paragraph. I always wake up at 6 p.m., usually at breakfast with my family. I sometimes ride my bicycle to school. I never go to bed late. Paratic fill in the blanks. She she always drink coffee in the morning. They usually play football on Sunday. He often help his mother every day. Quiz time. Close the correct word. I always eat vegetable. My father usually drives to work. They often visit their friends. Summary and motivation. Adverb of frequency. So how often something happens, play them before the main verb or after to be. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Raja. My pidato is the spirit of victory Indonesia versus Bahrain. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and warm greeting to all of you. Today we gather here not only to talk about a football match but celebrate a story of preference, teamwork and national pride on March 25 and 2025 at Gelora Bung Karno Stadium in Jakarta. The Indonesian national team football achieved a marked victory against Bahrain, winning 1-0. The winning goals was scored by Ole Romane in 24 minutes after a brilliant assist from Marcelo Ferdinand. This victory placed Indonesia in the fourth position in Group of the World Cup in Zona Asia, ASEAN zone. But this win meant more than just number on the scoreboard. In preparation, the hard work, unity, and fighting spirit of the Garuda squad, it showed then a team believe in self and play with heart. Even great challenges can be overcome. The match was far from easy, although Indonesian showed strong attacking energy in the first half. Bahrain dominated ball possession compared to Indonesian. What sold out was not the statistica, it was Indonesian determination. For players forget for every ball, different with courage and seized the critical moment to score. When Bahrain pushed hard to equalize, our defense started from like a wall of pride and resilience. They are few chaos lanes we can learn from this victory. Hard work and consistency, even when the odds are against us, discipline and focus can turn the tide. Strong mentality, success required not only skill but mental talks in high pressure moment. Teamwork or teamwork over individual glory. Every player, from goalkeeper to striker, contributes to success, marking the most opportunities. One moment, one goal, one pass. That's it. Takes when preparation meets opportunity. This victory is step forward, but is not the end the journey. Indonesia still has more match to play and more battle to win. The team remains in fourth position and qualification is still within reach, but I will demand continuous effort, improvement, and unity. We must not let this win make us a complete in let we motivation us part the drive us to even greater achievement. My fellow Indonesian, let's celebrate this not only a victory in football but a relation of who we are and a nation the never give up that race no matter how many times we fall. Let's continue to support national team full passion in the stadium, our homes and your heart because every cheers, every hope, every prime matters to our player, coach and supporter. Thank you so much. Remind of what is meant to fight ever for the right and white. May this victory inspire to soar even. Congratulations to the tim nasional Indonesia and keep flying. Salam Garuda. Terima kasih. Thank you very much.